What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we're still working on my friend Golf GTI. So we was working with him, was trying to find out because he have an issue with the drain from the sunroof that was leaking inside. So the first thing I did was check there. There's a little drain plug. It's like a drain hole. So normally when this one was getting full water, he was finding water here. Well, if you can see the water here after rain. So he got a Golf GTI MK6. So normally the drain from the sunroof is came from here, came all the way on the pole and ending on the engine. We went and checked the drain for this car. It doesn't come on the door like you see. So I thought was coming inside here, but didn't came. So was looking, there's no video on the internet, so I tried to make this one. We came and find it there, kind of like here, this black thing here. That's the drain from the sunroof. So what happened, I removed this plastic. We removed the wiper blades. Wiper blade, what is used, a 13mm socket, and there's other one on the driver's side over there. So literally what I did was press it, squeeze it, and right there we release. However, we went above and we cut with the scissor a little bit so it doesn't come again. So again, it's pretty easy. You only need to remove this plastic, the wiper blades, the two wiper blades. This one you remove from here. You literally pull up on this side, pull it up, just come back, and this plastic that come here. Pretty easy. Okay, so I didn't come with a big video because we was playing around with the car. So if you have any question, please ask a question below in the comment. Thank you for watching this short crazy video, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, comment below, thumb up, and you can follow me on Instagram, same name.